If you're studying for the Property and Casualty state exam, this one's for you. Today's video is all about liability and bodily injury and property damage that fall underneath of liability. So the first thing you need to understand is what is liability. By definition, it's the legal responsibility for injury or damage caused to another person or their property. So the terms that you're going to see on the exam are BI and PD, which stands for bodily injury and property damage. So essentially what we're talking about here is the responsibility or liability, right, hence the word, for causing injury to somebody else, right, to that third party. The two terms that describe how that injury was caused is the BI and PD, right? Did you cause injury to the person's body, bodily injury, or did you cause injury to their property, PD? So an example for homeowner's liability would be, let's say I'm over at your house and I fall down your steps and I break my arm. That is bodily injury. Well, technically that's medical coverage, F, but I'll do a separate video on the order of coverage. An auto example would be you and I are in separate cars, we get into a car accident and I break my leg. Your liability, coverage A, would cover my injuries. Property damage, we'll use the same example, right? So I'm over at your house and I fall down your steps and I have my cell phone in my hand, my cell phone breaks. That's property damage. Same example, you and I are in separate cars. Your coverage A, liability, would cover damage to my vehicle. That's property damage. The next level of complexity there, right, for auto is it a no-fault state? What are the liability limits? Do you have split liability? Do you have single liability? All stuff that we cover in our full courses, way too much to cover in this clip. I hope that helped. If you want additional help, go and check out our website. We have full on-demand programs, study guide, practice exam bundle, anything you need to help you pass the exam. Always rooting for you. You got this.